Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to part two of el vlog to El Salvador. Look, I know, one month later, and I'm going to upload part two. I am really sorry. Look, I'm busy. I have to go to school. I have things to do. But here you go. Here is part two, finally. But before, let's do a little recap, shall we? Okay. Before starting the video, let's put a little bit of context. So, we ended the last video with us celebrating New Year. Now, I believe it's the next day, and we are going to explore a new place. So, let's go. Now, we're going to El Centro Histórico. We're gonna go visit there. And yeah, so let's go. Here we are, guys. I'm gonna show you how it looks. As you can see, they still have their Christmas decorations, which for me was kind of something I wasn't expecting because it was already the 1st of January. And by that time, where I live, they take out all the Christmas decorations. But it was nice to see that the Christmas spirit was still on. Walking through El Centro Histórico, we didn't even know there was gonna be a show at night. And there was one! Yo, guys, they did a show just for us.
Buenas noches, mi gente linda. Recibamos con un fuerte aplauso a nuestra banda El Salvador.
Alright, so I'll have to do a little voiceover because I was exhausted that day. You can tell by my face that I was really tired. But anyways, what I was saying is that today it is beach day. So I was gonna take a nap until we arrived at the beach. We made it! There's the beach. The waves are really calm because it's early in the morning. I think they will get crazier and crazier during the day. But yeah, they're becoming pretty strong. Let me show you. Today we went at El Ático. It's a pupusa restaurant and the view is amazing. It's really beautiful. It would be even prettier if we went when it was sunset, but we got late. We got here a little bit late. But you can see like the whole city view, everything is just really beautiful. I'm gonna show you in 1 second. Alright guys, so we changed spots and I'm gonna show you the view right now. It is so beautiful. Let me show you. Wow. people are gonna cancel us because we're gonna try the Nutella pupusa. Okay, it's a pupusa with Nutella inside, and we're gonna try it. It's like a sweet pupusa, you know. And some people are like, "Ew, that's disgusting," and they haven't even tried it, but they just don't want to try it. But anyways, we're gonna try it. Here it is. That's how it looks. It looks like a normal pupusa, like una pupusa de frijoles. It's Nutella with cheese.
Wow. Sí, a ellos les gusta raro. No.
Yeah, it's not bad.
No me solo después Nutella.
Yeah, it's not bad. It's not. I'm like, it's sweet. It's weird. I don't know. Just one time and that's it. I'm not gonna crave this, you know. But it's kind of weird. This with Nutella.
Dice la, no sé qué nos dijo, ¿no? Que
So today we are at El Lago de Coatepeque. We are at Lago de Coatepeque. And we were supposed to go to the to the volcano, but the winds are way too strong. The winds are too intense, okay? So we had to cancel that activity for today. So here behind me is El Lago de Coatepeque. I'll let you know some fun facts of it because in that clip, girl, I was saying nonsense. But basically El Lago de Coatepeque is a crater's lake and it has thermal water that you will see in a couple of seconds. Weird. There's boiling water coming out of this, like right here. That is boiling water right over there. Wow. The water is so hot. That's from the volcano.
¿Te está viendo ahí? Oh, wow. Gracias.
Porque la piedra pierde el componente sólido por lo caliente.
Wow.
¿Ah?
Wow.
Dejas de comer.
Chick.
You're strong, bro. You're strong. What can I say? Our guide showed us that there's a part where you put your feet and then you can feel that the sand gets hot and it's crazy. I've never experienced something like this before. And it's so nice, really. It's an experience you should try. If you come to El Salvador, you should try this spot. It's really beautiful. It's a really large lake. It's a really big lake and the view, everything is just, wow, it's beautiful.
So there's been an earthquake right now, and like it was in the scale it was like 6.2, which is
6.3, something like that.
which is really strong because like only 5 is already like a big earthquake and it went above it, so like it's really bad. And we got really scared because we thought it was like a truck that was going in the street, but my mom saw there was no truck and nothing, so then we realized it was like an earthquake, and we got really scared. But now we're just packing everything up, so like that, like okazu, I don't know how you say okazu, like okazu, if it gets like worse, or if there's another one, like there's the part 2 of the earthquake, like we're ready to go. So we're gonna pack our like suitcase, we're gonna pack like some money, and we're gonna pack everything that is like important. And yeah, so hopefully there's not a part 2 of the earthquake, but yeah, but we're gonna keep y'all like informé about it. So bye.
Oh my god, so I don't know if I'm allowed to film. I had to like register my camera downstairs. I don't know why. They told us that if I lost it, then they'll, you know, have the information if someone like steals it or whatever. I don't know. Anyway,
If you lose it, you can report it, and they will tell you, and they will help you
find it. All right, what she said. Anyways, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the library because I'm not sure if I can library because I'm not sure if I can film, but I'll show you a little bit. All right. So here we are at Albania Cafe, something like that. And when you go in, there's like a lot of things you can do, a lot of activities. There's a maze. There's like les tyroliennes. Ziplining, and a lot of different things. Maybe I'll put like some pictures so you can see like the different activities you can do in this cafe. But right now we're gonna go do that little maze. Guys, I'm already a little bit tired and it's just been like 5 minutes. Because the thing, this maze is not like, you know, plano. It's like that low. And it's tiring. I'm tired, low. Our goal is to find a bell, like a big bell in the center of the maze. And once you find it, then you did the maze, you know. But bro, I'm already tired. It's so funny. Bro, there's a little kid following us, telling us that we're wrong.
No.
Ah, mais c'est vrai!
Si vamos mal. He was right. Bro, he keeps telling us that ahí va mal. Where is he? It's like he's wearing a pink shirt, pink jersey. And every time we take like one way, he tells us that we're wrong. Yeah, he tells us that we're wrong. Bro, il a disparu. Le kid a disparu.
No, está en la mano. Ok, no sé dónde estoy.
Oh no, ahí está, ahí está.
No era aquí, no sé. ¿Verdad?
Ahí está.
No.
Aquí no hemos ido.
Sí, aquí. Ahí está, mira el bichito, ahí está.
Bueno,
Ok, aquí.
Aquí así.
Aquí vamos mal. Ahí no dice nada. ¡Ah! Vamos mal, dice.
No vamos mal aquí.
Ay, súper mal, dice. Ok, vamos. ¿Aquí cómo estamos? ¿Mal?
Más o menos.
Más o menos. Ah, aquí es, aquí es.
Te damos $1, nos decíamos de...
Por aquí. Oh, por aquí es, aquí.
Oh, gracias.
Güey. Yo, the little kid was the one that was guiding us through it all, and we made it.
Il faut donner de la pierre qui nous ramène à la maison.
We did it. I mean,
We did
he
it.
did it for us.
Vaya con Dios. La cabeza.
Last day here in El Salvador. Last official day, because tomorrow we're leaving.
Es un recuerdo de nosotros para usted. Si quiere se lo video. Enero 2025. Muchas gracias tía Paquita por habernos recibido en su linda casita. Nos alegra mucho haber podido conocerla. Este viaje a El Salvador no se hubiera podido realizar sin su hospitalidad, su amor, ni tampoco sin su espíritu aventurero. Siempre lista para nuestras locuras, aprendimos que cada momento es importante y hay que vivirla con gozo. No se le olvide darle de comer al Micho. La queremos mucho, familia Amor y Socialitos.
Gracias.
Y aquí están todas las nuestras.
Siempre están en mi corazón.
Mucha alegría y le damos gracias al Señor por habernos permitido este momento, por haber...
Alright, I didn't show her that much during the vlog. I don't know if you see her often in the vlog, but she was everywhere. When I tell you everywhere with us, she was everywhere with us. Everywhere we went, she went with us. She's the sweetest little human being on earth, and I'm gonna miss her. I'm gonna miss her a lot, and yeah, she has a little special place in my heart. Where's my heart? I don't know. But yeah, we love her a lot, and she's a queen. She's the baddest of them all. Alright guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I hoped I was able to show you a little bit of El Salvador. I feel like I tried to enjoy the moment, so I didn't record a lot of content, but I tried to do as much as I could, you know, film for you guys, but also enjoy the time over there. So I hope this gives you a little bit of a taste of El Salvador, but I'm sad that we're leaving, but I'm still happy because, you know, everything I have, my home is over there in Canada. But I was really grateful, really happy that I was able to visit my country, you know, because this is where I am from, you know, this is my origins. That's the blood that runs through my veins is from El Salvador. Even though I wasn't born here, I still have origins, you know. So it's special to see you know, everybody being Salvadoreño here is like surreal, you know, it's like, what, bro, what, you know, and hearing how they speak, how they talk, and that accent they have is just like wonderful, and seeing how people like socialize with each other, how they like, you know, have their like relationships with each other, it's like just beautiful. And I think we should learn that from them. In Canada, I feel like people are way too cold over there, so you know, I hope I'll be able to bring this little heat over there, this little warmth over there. So yeah, anyways, that is it for today's vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I think this is gonna be a long vlog, sorry for that, but I hope that you enjoyed it. See you on my next vlog.